come to Capertee for a weekend getaway and we're staying at a national park here. I hope you enjoy this adventure. There's some kangaroos, little ones. I think they were joeys. Oh, there's another one. Are we gonna fit? Okay, another sign. It says lookout. That must be the lookout Paul was talking about. That's a toilet there. So we've woken up this morning, Saturday morning, and it's absolutely beautiful here. Got the dump points, the pit toilets there. Rodney's just about to cook me some breakfast, having bacon and eggs. It's nice and quiet. Had a good sleep last night. I've got bacon cooking. Good morning, Rodney. Good morning. Breakfast is nearly ready. Can't wait to get the fire on. I just want to sit around the fire. So where are you taking me today, Rodney?
Yeah.
We're not going anywhere. We're going for a drive?
If you didn't want to lay in bed all morning, now it's too late.
Well, that's what I come for. Come to relax.
Yeah, we'll go somewhere.
It's the sign as you drive in. And that's the park map there. So it was a $6 booking fee to stay here. So for those of you that have got toilets in your caravans, there is a dump here as well. There is no water, but you can definitely dump here. So the dump point's just as you drive in. So you've got your first section, and then as you drive in, you've got your dump point. So we're attempting to make bread again. Did realise that the packet that I got was a gluten-free bread, so I don't know how it's going to taste like, but we'll have a look. All right, let's put the lid on, and let's see how it goes.
I'll put the lid on.
A few moments later.
Looks good. What do you think? It's our lunch. I think we did a good job. Now just to taste it, eh?
Yep.
Got our fire starting there.
Right. That was, what, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Half an hour. All right.
Sounds crunchy.
Oh,
Looks alright, eh?
I'm gonna cut it.
Just take one half and just slice one half. You could use the other half for dinner, maybe. Some butter.
Better knife.
What's it taste like?
Crunchy bread. Got the wrong knife, Sham.
You can have first bit.
No, you haven't.
No, you have it. I want you to see what it tastes like. Do I do a good job? The crust is really good.
Oh, thing's good.
Huh?
Need to put some jam on it. I've got jam.
Garlics. How's that, Rod?
Looks good. To get the lid.
Where is it?
The lid's up there, look.
It's very smoky.
There's a fire.
Where's the shovel?
Yeah.
That's it. Huge. That's a big goanna. Looks like a log, eh? Did they bite you?
Go and try it.
So is this normally water? Yeah, or down there?
No.
Hello. Hi. Not very scared, are you? Where are you going? It's having a bit of a scratch. It's letting me get close to him or her. Don't know what it is. A few more people have turned up this afternoon.
Look at that. Think it's done?
I'm not sure. We'll have to check it. Where's the thing? I had it a minute ago. Oh, there it is. I'll just get it.
Oh, yeah. Smells good.
What's it say?
Yeah, it's cooked.
You sure?
When I'm hungry, it's cooked.
It looks good. Everyone's got their campfires going. What time is it? Oh, there's some kangaroos there too. Okay.
Time is 20 to 6.
20 to 6. Are the vegetables soft?
Yeah, I've just turned the chicken over. I reckon we...
Another 5 minutes?
Let me try it.
Good.
Yeah.
We've got our dinner all ready. Cooked by how long? What time is it?
1 hour,
About an hour.
I think. Oh, yum. Yeah, you want sauce?
My friend.
Well, you got 2 forks.
Oh no.
Too hungry. Vegetables are perfect. Good, Rob. Good job. Sunday morning, just about to pack up and go home. It's a gorgeous day. It's not even that cold this morning. So quiet and peaceful here. So there's 2 blocks of toilets. There's one down that end there, and then there's the other one up here. You ready, Rodney? So we're time to go now. We're leaving, heading home. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that bell, and we'll catch you on our next adventure. And we'll definitely come back here again. Awesome spot.